In this Christmas ukulele tutorial and sing-along, play-along, we're going to do a really fun, upbeat song. Although, we're going to change it up a little. We're going to kind of make this one a little bluesy, a little funky with the rhythm. Wait till you see this rhythm. This one is Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. This is going to be a really fun tutorial on Let It Snow. We've been doing a bunch of Christmas stuff. If you want to see the other videos, go check those out. We got a bunch of really great Christmas songs here. But if you're into ukulele, even guitarlele and baritone, we do tutorials, reviews, and obviously Christmas songs right here on my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. So this one's going to be really fun. I got a really cool strum pattern. And the backing track, we made it a little bluesy, right? So most of the time when you hear a lot of these classic Christmas songs like this one, like on this one, you'd think of the Dean Martin version. This is a real classic, kind of little jazzy version. Fantastic version. I love it. But as I was going through my list of all the different versions out there, I found, of all things, you would not believe it, Jessica Simpson put out a really cool bluesy version. And so we copied the backing track for this. And by the way, if you want that backing track, if you want the sheet music, you got the lyrics, the chords, which I highly suggest you having, because we're going to put everything on the screen for you. No problem. We got you covered. But if you want to grab all that stuff, we'll put a link below totally for free. Just go sign up. You're going to get this, all this stuff that you need for this particular song right here. So, yeah, so this is going to be really fun. Wait till we hear the backing track and we do the play along, sing along at the end. Now, you might be wondering, where are you getting these cool versions of these songs? Well, one, I am listening to a bunch of different stuff, but this particular version, it came from a couple of my favorite books. I'm going to show you these books here. What I'm about to show you, all of them are available at, that's my online store, the Ukelikethepros, store.ukelikethepros.com, and that's the #1 store online if you want any of these. So the first one here, this has like become my favorite book lately, the Christmas ukulele fake book. And so what this is, it's really cool. Well, I originally had it up, but I don't have it up anymore. So it just has the lyrics, it has the chords, it has the melody, it has everything you need to know for ukulele. It's got over 250 songs. Great version of Let It Snow. Matter of fact, it's a version that we're doing right here. Now, the same exact version, of course, these are Hal Leonard books. The same version here is also available in this one right here. The Daily Ukulele, which is a fantastic book. It actually also is included in this one. They're exactly the same. Okay. Do you have either one of these books? Put a comment below. I'd like to know what books that you have for your Christmas stuff. But I do have one little cool version here. This one is called The Real Christmas Book. And let me talk about this one just for a second. This one is like jazzy versions of Christmas songs. And matter of fact, I have a little stick-up note here so I can show you the Let It Snow. So if you check out this Let It Snow, let me take that off. Boom. It's just a little more jazzy. It's got a little bit more fancy chords, minor 7, dominant 7, major 7, all that kind of stuff. But this is not necessarily an ukulele book. You can play ukulele, but it doesn't have any chord diagrams. It just has the chords. So it's going to force you to know the chords. It has the melody and it has the lyrics. Again, all those are great books. Store.ukelikethepros.com. You can get them. But also, let me know below, what books do you like, or where do you get your material for all your Christmas stuff? All right. The rhythm here. What I'm doing is we're going to throw a little mute in, okay? I think it's cool. It helps when you get the backing track instead of that kind of that bluesy kind of vibe, okay? It's really cool. So just grab your C chord here. And just what we're going to start with is down, up, down, up. So I'm just going to do it with my index finger. Down, up, down. Dee, 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 dee. So that's how you want it to start. You just want to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, just start off with that. Now, once you get good with that, then what I want to do to make this really cool is put a mute on beats 2 and 4. You could call it a chuck if you want to do it. I'm going to do it with my palm here. So I'm going to go 1 and 2. That's the palm mute. Up, 3 and 4. And 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so when I'm doing the palm mute, I'm just doing this part of the hand right here, the side of the palm. It's just literally like karate chopping the strings, and then I'm doing the strum right after. Okay, so literally if I move it around a little bit, so my hand's hitting here, boom, and then I'm strumming. So 1 and mute, and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And, all right, so this is really cool. Now, if you need more help with this, I do have videos here on chucking, but check out ukelikethepros.com. amazing stuff over there because it's a community that we've been able to build. I call it the ukelikethepros Nation. We got courses. We got a fantastic premium membership that gives you access to all the courses and also all the live Q&As that we do every week. Ukulele, Guitarlele, and Baritone. Come be part of that nation. That's ukelikethepros.com. All right, so we're going to do that rhythm. So let's just try it again one more time. 3, 4, and... All right, so you really want to get that down. Now, the melody here, by the way, I do have a low G here. I'm playing my Koloha. This is a KTM 00MG. This is all solid mango. They don't get them a whole lot. And when I have them, they go fast. But I do have a couple now. Hopefully, when you're watching this video, and if you're interested in one, go check it out. Store.ukelikethepros.com. You can grab one just like the mango that I'm doing here. I am plugged in and using my LR Bags 5.0 pickup for this. All right, so what was I saying here? I was going to get to the the melody. Okay, so I do have a low G on this, but the melody for this one is it's quite of a wide range melody. A lot of Christmas songs are really, don't move around that much, but this one. And then. So you notice it goes a long range from G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, all the way up to there. So it's a pretty wide range, but that's what makes this song pretty fun. So here's the starting note. Oh, that's it. And then it just goes to an octave. Weather, that's the first part. So, oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Delightful, that's the right word. All right. Now, it's got a few chords in it. Let's go over those real quick. We're going to go to the regular C chord and the regular old G7 chord. Now, it does have this really cool E flat diminished 7 chord. Check this out. Right there. Not super hard chord, but kind of a cool chord. It does also have the D minor in this song. It does have a G sharp diminished chord, which is right here. If you notice, it's just like the E flat right here. G sharp diminished. And this could be called different names. Don't worry about that. Just for this song, we're going to call it G sharp diminished. And then it does have a regular old G chord. All right. Then when we get to the bridge part, it does have a couple other chords here real quick. It does have the, what is it? Oh, that G sharp and also the E7 and the A7. Whew. So it's actually kind of a lot of bit of chords. We're going to do it real slow. And then once we get it down, we're going to do a little bit faster with the fast backing track. There's only one backing track for this one. It's a little fast, but it's really cool for this one. All right, so let's try it. So I'm going to just play through it and follow along. This is how I'm going to teach you the song, okay? Oh, the weather. Here we go. Let's do it. 1, 2. Oh, by the way, don't forget. We'll put a link below. Go get the sheet music, get the backtrack. It's kind of complicated, even though the form's just A-A-B-A. It's just a lot going on. So it helps you when you have the sheet music in front of you beside only what you have on the screen. By the way, it's totally for free. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. All right, let's do the next section. It's the same thing, just got different lyrics. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. All right, so you notice it has all these vocal pickups. The A sections have these vocal pickups, and then the next part here, the bridge, also has a vocal pickup. So it's going to start on the G chord, okay? You ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, and all the way home I'll be warm. All right, so that's the B section. Then it's going to go back to the last A section. Let's do it nice and slow. I'll show you the ending. It's going to have a short note here. Here, 1, 2, 3. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. All right, and that last note there, we're just gonna hit that really short. All right, so there it is. That's real slow. Hopefully you followed along on the screen. You got all the chords, you got the rhythm. Again, go get the sheet music and everything like that. Let me know how you're doing. I want to know right now, put a score below 1 to 5, 1 meaning you need some more work, 5 meaning you got this and you're ready to rock it with the backing track, which we're going to do in just a second. Then we're going to play, and then I want to hear again how your score is. So go ahead and leave that comment below. So, all right, are you ready? Let's warm up the band. This is the backing track. Come on, show me what you got. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And it doesn't show sign to stop it. And I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, and all the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. All right, that was my little version. Get those earbuds out of here. It took me a few times, to be honest with you. It's a lot of lyrics, and it's really fast, but I think I got it. I'm happy with that. How did you do? Put a score below 1 to 5. You know what it is. 1, you need a little bit more work. 5, you got it. You got the rhythm. You kept in good time, and also you got to singing too. Don't forget about that. So anyway, I hope you enjoy being here. I appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button. That really helps the video as well. Subscribe to the channel. And then again, if you dig me, if you like what we're doing here, check out ukelikethepros.com. Ukulele the Pros Nation, come be a part of it. You will not be disappointed. And then also any of the stuff you want, the books, the ukulele, all that stuff, check out store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you in the next one.